In this video, we'll take you step by step through setting up your Google Business Profile, so you can make sure your business stands out on Google Maps and in local searches. Your Google Business Profile is a free, powerful tool that lets you control how your business appears on Google Search and Maps, making it easier for local customers to find you. It's important because it not only helps people find your business, but it also gives them a snapshot of who you are, what you offer, and why they should choose you, all of which can bring in new customers. First things first, if you don't already have a Google account, you'll need to create one. This account will be your key to managing your business profile and accessing all of Google's tools. Once you're set up with a Google account, head over to the Google Business Profile Manager. This is where you'll enter and control all the details that make your business stand out. Next, enter your business information, including your name, address, phone number, and website. Be sure everything is accurate. This info will help customers reach you and is key to building trust. Begin by entering your business name exactly as customers know it. Avoid adding extra words or keywords, as Google prefers straightforward, accurate names. Next, add your business address. This is essential for local searches, as it lets nearby customers know exactly where to find you. After that, enter your business phone number. Make sure it's a number where customers can easily reach you, whether it's a main line or a dedicated business cell. If you have a website, be sure to add it here. This gives customers a place to explore your services, learn more about your business, and even take action, like booking or contacting you directly. Now it's time to verify your business, which confirms to Google that you're the official owner. You can choose to verify by phone, email, or postcard, whichever option works best for you. If you choose to verify by phone, Google will give you a quick call with a verification code. Just answer the call, jot down the code, and enter it to confirm your business. If you opt to verify by email, Google will send you an email with a verification link. Just open the email, click the link, and you're all set to confirm your business. If you decide to verify by postcard, Google will mail you a postcard with a unique verification code. It may take a few days to arrive, so keep an eye on your mail and enter the code once you receive it. Once your business is verified, you can start adding photos and videos to your profile. High-quality images of your business, team, and products help make a strong first impression and build trust with potential customers. You can also showcase specific products and services on your profile. This makes it easy for customers to see what you offer at a glance and can encourage them to choose you over the competition. Managing your reviews and responding promptly to customers is key. It shows that you value their feedback, builds trust, and can improve your reputation, helping you attract even more business. When your profile looks good and includes all the important details, go ahead and publish it. This makes your business live on Google, so local customers can start finding you right away. That's it. You've successfully set up your Google Business Profile. Now, you're ready to connect with local customers, showcase what makes your business unique, and start attracting more visitors. With your Google Business Profile, you have a powerful tool to connect with customers. You can answer their questions, share updates, and promote your products and services, all in one place that's easy for people to find.